he said like this: Sadio Mane is the best football player in the world. Have you
In the world.
ever
So
heard?
that's from Liverpool. That's the Liverpudlian accent, right? There you go. That's from
Yeah,
up north.
it's not it's not a world. It's a world.
Yeah, world. They do. They say that. They use it's the best whatever it is in the world. It's a weird one. It's from up north. It's either
Yeah,
Liverpool or Manchester or somewhere like that.
yeah. It's very
Yeah.
hard. Okay, you know what? I will sing for you. I will sing for you.
Okay. Go for
I
it.
will do my I will do my best. Even I don't sing in English, to be honest with you. I don't sing in
That's
English, but I
okay.
will try for you. Okay.
Okay. Good.
when I smile, my eyes, closed.
Yeah, was it mine do too. I wouldn't worry.
Okay, sing. I can't stop laughing. Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's a good lesson. To be honest with you, I had to kill you for 1 hour, not only 10 minutes. Okay.
Okay, go for it.
The club isn't the best place to find a lover, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friend are able to ensure we can follow and talk slow. Come over and start up a conversation. We just need trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now to my hand, stop a phenomenon, just because I start to dance. I'm singing like, oh, your love was not me for somebody like me. Coming off on a Molly, coming off on a
I love
Molly.
it. I love it. Ed Sheeran, right?
Oh yeah. Ouzane.
Uzen.
It wasn't.
Oh, never mind.